Good morning, children. In the We are back today again with computers for class 6. In the last class, we discussed about a question that can a computer run without hardware? Is it possible that a computer can run without hardware? So the answer was no. Computer cannot run without the minimum requirements of the hardware, and minimum requirements were also discussed. I'll repeat those minimum requirements for a computer to run properly. Minimum requirements means these are the normal minimum things in a computer that must be there, then only the computer will run. And those things are power supply. We are talking about CPU cabinet. When we are talking about CPU, inside the CPU there should be a power supply, DVD-ROM, CPU, that is the processor, CPU fan, the processor fan, RAM, hard disk, and CD or DVD drive, and most important thing, motherboard. Okay, and then monitor is also necessary, keyboard, mouse, and speaker. Without speaker we can manage, but a speaker is also needed sometimes. But without speaker also computer can work. But without keyboard and mouse, it will be a difficult task for a computer to work smoothly. Now today's topic is the second part of the chapter, that can a computer run without a software? Can a computer run without a software? So again the answer is no. Answer is no, because computer cannot run either without the minimum requirement of the software, and minimum requirement of the softwares are two requirements. There are two requirements for minimum configuration to make the computer run, make the computer operate. So what are those minimum requirements? So the first thing is bootable program. Bootable program is also called a startup program. It is a program which is inbuilt in the RAM or ROM of the computer, and these programs are known as BIOS, Basic Input Output System. Basic Input Output System. This is a program which is very necessary for a computer to run. Second thing is operating system. It can be any operating system. I have used a very common operating system, that is Windows operating system. Now these two requirements are there for a computer. These are the minimum requirements for a computer as a software to run. These are the minimum software requirements for a computer to run. I am repeating again and again so that it is very clearly understood by every student. Okay, if you are not able to understand, we will repeat. You can repeat the video again, it will be clear. And in case if you are not able to understand, and if you have any queries regarding all this discussion that are happening in the video lectures, you can leave your comment in the comment box of your YouTube video, and there I will access your comment and reply there itself, or maybe in the next video if it is necessary I will answer you the requirements. So I will repeat again, there are two requirements for a computer, for the software to run the computer, and those two softwares are, first is bootable program, that is also called a startup program, and example of a startup program is basic input output system. It is, in short, we call it BIOS. What we call is BIOS. Now second one is Windows operating system. It can be anything from today's computers configuration. Today we use Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest software update which we have in the market. So today we have here a very small homework for you that you have to do. You have to summarize all the difficult words that you found and unfamiliar words that you found in the video, and write it in your notebook. And this is the summary of your chapter. It is from your book only. So please read this summary and it will help you in the revision for the exam also.